Morning everybody, is the morning for me. Me and my sister and my mum are going to be going to Ikea today, so I thought I would vlog that, and yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, I've arrived at our destination and we're walking in now. Come on, Natalie, with your little trolley. Oh, it's really dark though.
Is it too dark?
Yeah, too dark.
I like the light. It's like a vampire.
No,
You don't like the light?
I don't like it. No. Still walking around Ikea, gone past the glasses, and now we're at the bedding stuff. So this is my kitchen. This is my future kitchen. This is mine. This is all mine, real life.
But you're in Ikea, okay?
No, we're not. No, we're not. Still walking around, nearly halfway. Still walking around, we've got a couple of bits right here, and we're just looking around to see if there's any more stuff, and then we'll be heading towards the till. We've got to walk down the movie stairs yet. Is that an escalator? Yeah, and that's not the best bit. Is there any stuff here, Nat? Because these are the balls we've got at home, isn't it?
That thing, but I can't ask you what it's for.
I have no idea.
You put things in there.
Yeah, I'm not fast. I feel like they don't have any like new things, do they? What to pick? Cause I have this one. This is like the bag that they have, but they don't have. They don't have nothing new. They don't have nothing new now, do they? You've got this already, haven't you?
Yeah, I have that already.
Yeah. Lego. Decided to get these two, this and this, and it's like that and that. We are fully loaded now. We've got a bin and we've got another bin here, and yeah, we were gonna go for this one or we were gonna go for this one, but we've decided to go for this one right here. So yeah, going down the escalator. Hi Nat. You're the wrong way, you know. You've got to turn around. We're getting close to the end now. End. Hi Nat. Would you like your dinner? Breakfast. I like them flowers. Leaving Ikea now, pushing the trolley to the car, and there's the entrance right there. And yeah, on our way home now. In the car. Look at my little tripod. Make sure you like lay it down that and stuff.
Yeah, put them boxes on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
The black boxes.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Eddie
Some
over
of
there.
these.
Eddie.
Nah.
Oi, Eddie.
Oi. And we've got this. Yeah, that's it.
Mum.
Complete. Car is full. Okay, so we are on our way home. We've just stopped off just to get some, I think my mum said bread and some milk, and we've stopped off in Lidl. So I'm just waiting in the car because it's super hot. I think it's like nearly 30 degrees today, I think it is, something like that. But it is a really hot day. And I'm just waiting in the car. I'm sitting in the shade, and yeah, I'm just waiting for them to come back. Okay, so we are back home now. We're getting stuff out the boot. My sister is staring at me. Hi, Nat. Oh. You fell. Hi, Nat. Can you hear our dog barking? Yeah, that's our dog. Yep, that is our dog. Got this bag. Hi, Nat. And let's go. Okay, so we are putting our things that we got in Ikea on these boards that we have in our room. So I've got these here. These just go like across here, so you can like hang like that. So you can hang like pictures, and isn't that pictures and stuff now? Mm-hmm. Pictures and stuff. And then I also got this right here. It looks so weird on camera, but it goes onto here. You can put your books and stuff on it. And this is what it is. It's just like that. And yeah. That is what the first one looks like. That was quick now. So I'm going to be putting mine on right now. I'm going to be putting mine on now. I'm going to be putting on this right here. I'm going to have to move this over to here. I'm doing a bit of moving around.
I know.
I want to put it like, because I can easily see the pens. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Move these pegs over to there, and then I'm gonna put this. Yeah, it's fine. There?
Yeah.
Or should I be a bit higher?
No, that's maybe a bit higher. Yeah.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna have.
Better than mine.
I've got these right here. They look like so weird, but trust me, it's gonna look good. Okay, it's gonna look good. Okay, so what did you do now? You did a cross.
Yeah. Well, that's what I did on mine.
Well, yeah, 'cause that's how it would look like, innit? You could do quite a tight cross.
Yeah, you got to do quite a tight, otherwise your pictures will just fall out. Higher. It's a bit tighter. That's better.
Yeah? That's not too tight.
No, give me the other one.
Oh yeah. Where do you put it?
I just put mine across, but I think you should put yours like that.
Like a straight line. And this is what we have. Okay, so I'm home now. I'm sitting down. I've just finished putting them things on the board that is in our bedroom. That was a fun day at Ikea. I actually really liked it. I hope like the Ikea vlog. If you liked like the Ikea vlog, then let me know down in the comments, because if we go next time to Ikea, I will definitely film more. Like I'll film more. So yeah. Okay, so I'm watching a film. I'm watching The House of Magic. Okay, so it's now the next day now, and me and my sister are about to have some lunch, and then we will be going down to Costa again. Yes, we're going back to Costa. My arm is already aching. Yes, we are going to Costa to get you know, my favourite drink from there. Mango passion fruit. and then we're going to be walking home and then drinking that, and then I think we're going to go on a bike ride. I'm not entirely sure yet, but let's see what happens. We have our drinks and we are walking back home now, and we are sweating our buckets off, but we got the drinks, so it's okay. Oh my god, Mum. You getting it big?
Everywhere.
He's good. Oh my god. Me and my sister are riding our bikes, and I'm riding one-handed, and we are going up here. I don't know if you're able to see that, but we are so close to that viewpoint, and when we get there I will show you. Okay, so we have come back to this place. We are riding our bikes again, and this is where we are sitting at the moment. Okay, so when me and my sister go ride back home, we're gonna go in the parkway. We're gonna go to the, how do you say that? Go to the parkway. We're gonna go through the park because we want to see if like the surface is so pebbly, because last time we were riding through and we literally got stuck in all the pebbles, didn't we? Yeah. And we want to see if that's true again. Yeah, we're going to be heading off in a bit. It's not actually that sunny. It's really, really blue sky though. Kind of cloudy. But we are approaching it now. No way. Oh my god. I'm buried. No. Wow. Did they stop doing? No, I can't even move. Oh my god. Hey. Oh, push. You're literally stuck. You can't. Go on, Nat.
No.
You through?
Oh. Yeah, I'm through.
That was us. Wow. On our way to Lidl to do the daily shopping, so let's go. Starting to get very, 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 very close to the top now, and then we're going to go to the till. Leaving Lidl. Okay, so we are now home from Lidl, and now it's time to unpack all of our shopping and get it all away. Okay, so it is much, much later on in the day. It is actually night time right now. I may have forgotten to end the vlog, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you didn't, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video today. And I will see you next time in my next vlog. Bye.